Hi, it's Caroline, and today I'm touring this new construction home here in Palm Beach County, Florida. It's 2 beds, 2 baths with a 2-car garage and 1,968 square feet of living space. While we tour, I'll highlight the upgrades that add to the base, helping you to understand what to consider when planning a budget for your new home. Let's take a look. As we walk into this open foyer, you're going to see the first bedroom with carpeting, typically included, wood shelving, typically extra. If you see that in the closet, you'd usually get wire shelving. It is a nice size. That tile, which you would usually get, that looks just a little slightly upgraded. And here in the full bath, that tub would usually come, again, an upgrade with that shelving. And if you see the tile in the bathtub, could be an upgrade. Anytime you see decorative items such as the cabinets and shelving, that's something the designer usually does and not even an option with the builder. I love this kitchen. You have tons of cabinets. You have a gas cooktop, double oven, stainless steel appliances. That sink looks like an upgrade. That lighting that you see, it usually does not come with that. Or see the wood panel where the TV is, that's a decorator item. Those cabinets going all the way to the ceiling and the cabinets inside this pantry also would be additional. Typically they wouldn't go that high, and typically you wouldn't get cabinets included in your pantry. Now we're off to the open living and dining. Let's take a look in this yard. That lanai is nice. You see the pool. That looks, well, one, it wouldn't be included, and it looks large, so it'd probably be even extra than just a standard pool. So what I mean by that is, even when builders say they'll give you a pool, it's usually not that big. Nice size owner's suite. I don't see carpeting in here, so they added that tile throughout, which could also be an upgrade. You have the dual sinks. You have that tile in the stand-up shower looking like an upgrade. I've already talked about that shelving. Nice size walk-in closet. You see how you have that 2-tone tile? That's usually something additional too. But you have to consider, well, what's worth it? Are you really going to rip tile out and redo it? It'd probably cost more. Shelving, you could always change that later. Cabinets in your laundry room. The designer stuff I take pictures of, and that's something a decorator would talk to you about. That flex space there you could add as an additional bedroom if you wanted. And then here's your laundry. Again, those cabinets would be extra. And here's your 2-car garage. So that's where you'd come in from. Well, that's one more look through here. I hope you enjoyed this tour. If you found it helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Thanks for touring.